Bitcoin Cash may experience a 3.6% loss by April 17, Crypto Predictions projects. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. Bitcoin Cash is now up 1.5% since yesterday and trades just under $441.60. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. Coin price forecast target stands at $445 by April 17, which equals a rise of roughly 0.7%. Bitcoin Cash could trend upward to $443 according to 30 rates, about 0.3% above now. CoinCodex points out it could drop to $440.30, roughly 0.3% below now. Another outlook from Crypto Predictions highlights Bitcoin Cash may head down to $426.01, a decrease close to 3.6%. To finish, Gulf Capital Collector aims for $414.76 by April 17. That's 6.1% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. 5 predictions down. Let's keep going. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decrease of 6.1% and an increase of 0.7%, depending on the analyst. This means Gulf Capital Collector comes in with the top forecast with 6.1% gain in value by tomorrow. This means you could see a return of between $3 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, 30 rates' forecast stands out with a 81.4% chance of success. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. Consensus projections place Bitcoin Cash around $433.81. Let's go a little deeper. Consensus insights highlight a 1.8% decrease in price. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $18. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 67.4% of taking shape. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. For the days ahead, coin price forecast signals further gains. 30 rates anticipates calm trading, with Bitcoin Cash unlikely to break out of its present range. Meanwhile, CoinCodex points to a flat trajectory for Bitcoin Cash. A slide is anticipated by Crypto Predictions, with pressure on the downside. A bearish forecast is similarly made by Gulf Capital Collector, expecting losses. Overall, the consensus view indicates Bitcoin Cash will move lower across this horizon. Looking across the forecasts, 60% suggest Bitcoin Cash will trade higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were aimed at the day after. That day is behind us, so let's see how accurate they were. As a result, the daily candle closed at $440.70. Yesterday showed that most analysts got the direction right. Accuracy-wise, 30 rates provided the tightest prediction. Time to line things up. 4 forecasts landed within the candle. Looking at ROI, all analysts achieved gains, with Gulf Capital Collector ranking first. Take a look at the complete overview. All forecasts matched against reality. Meanwhile, CoinLore had a pre-estimated probability of 80.8% in accuracy and 0.3% ROI. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Bitcoin Cash and other assets. Bitcoin Cash isn't on top this time as Uniswap leads with 2.8%. This section includes Bitcoin Cash and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended performance view and analyst accuracy results will soon appear on my website and Telegram. If you found this useful, a like and a quick subscribe would mean a lot. See you soon.